Wow, guys, a truly insane day to say the least. I truly pray that you didn't lose any money if you were in any positions, or perhaps if you just panic sold, right? Maybe panic bought. Um, but hopefully you guys are definitely and truly safe out there because a lot of people did lose a lot of money. Okay, so let's talk about what I think will happen to XRP's price, guys. Now, yesterday I was just brainstorming. It's going to look messy, okay? But I was just brainstorming to see where XRP will possibly bottom out, okay? And I really have two targets in mind, okay? Now remember, I drew this yesterday, guys. I did not draw this today. I know it's very messy, but my first target was down here at around low $2, okay? It reached there. Then I was like, after a drop, it's probably going to have a retrace moment. A retrace moment, guys. Right? Back up. Now, we should probably not make a low under these levels, right? If we do, that's going to be bad because that means another fall will take place right here, right? The other fall I have is $1.62 per XRP, right? For Bitcoin, that would be I know there's a lot of things, guys, happening, but for Bitcoin, that would be at, let's see here, 88 right here, 81.6k for Bitcoin, and Ethereum, that would be the bottom if it were to take place. I don't know if it will happen, but the bottom for ETH would be right here, guys, 2.9k ish, right? Just under 3k, just under this liquidity sweep. Now, will this happen? Will this not? I hope this doesn't happen, guys. I hope this doesn't happen, and this is truly the bottom. Now, it can be, right? It can be, because it took everyone by surprise, guys. But good thing we weren't surprised, right? Just because these things happen, guys, right? These things do happen when you literally pumped this much, right? When you literally pumped 500%, okay? A dump of what? What was this a dump of? 32%? That's literally nothing, right? But it is something. So you just got to be very careful out there, guys. Now, so those are my price targets. I hope this is the bottom though, because I bought everything back from my stables, guys. Okay, so whatever I had in stables, I bought XRP for my trading bag again. So I'm good to go at this point, right? And hopefully we do. And hopefully this is the bottom indeed. And we're going to be talking, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about the charts, right? Obviously, because of what just happened. What else? A bunch of more stuff, guys. And we should not panic. Okay, we should not panic. Why? Ripple comes out today. Literally today, guys. And this is a Ripple reply to Brad Garlinghouse, okay? This is funny. They stated to lock in, right? Have a lock-in moment. And what is he in? What does this look like? In a rocket ship, right? A spaceship. That's ridiculous, guys. What are the chances of that? Right? Are they telling us now that the dump is over? Right? We know that they love to tell everyone everything, guys. Now, since the dump is over, it's time to what? Rocket back up, right? If you guys watched my previous video, I did say there's going to be a flash crash, and then right after next week probably we're going to see new all-time highs, right? If this is truly the bottom next week, let's see, yes, this week or next week we should see new all-time highs, okay? So we'll see. Again, possibly them telling us it's go time, right? So here comes the actual charts, and let's talk about it from Credible Crypto. XRP just hit my downside target. Now, because we did this sooner rather than later after taking the highs, or after taking highs, there is a good chance that if we make new local highs from here, we won't need to revisit this region after any longer, right? So this is completed, guys. It seems as, look at that, even he predicted it, right? We predicted it. He did, guys, that at some point this lower region will be reached. And it got reached today, guys, right? And it was due to a flash crash. Did I not say that the past couple of days, right? So this is most definitely beautiful. And after this point, look at this green arrow, right? If we do make new highs, we should not be able to come, we shouldn't become, we will not come down here any longer, right? And we'll just go up, guys. So hopefully that's truly the case. Now, charting guy tweets out, XRP just retested the 2021 high today. Exact same structure as 2017 still. On track perfectly. Okay, this is a little bit creepy. Okay, this is why the bottom is probably in. Why is it creepy, you may be wondering? History is repeating, guys, in 2017. I'm like, this should give you the chills, right? Because in 2017, when XRP had a skyrocket moment like this, guys, look how it came back down. It came back down to retest structure, right? This previous high, and then it flew out of there, guys. So XRP is doing the same exact thing right now. XRP is, did blast. XRP did blast through the roof, and it came back down right here, guys, to retest the previous high, right? And it retested it to the exact T, I think. After that point, or after this point, we should go higher, right? Which matches up with this chart. Interesting. Now, XRP retest perfection, guys. Here's a closer look, right? Look at this to a literal T. You cannot make this stuff up, folks. Right? You cannot make this stuff up. How? Again, there are algorithms in play, and that's really odd that Ripple gave us a heads up before this flash crash occurred. Guys, okay, well, I'm going to be talking about it in tomorrow's video, but again, I think we're in good hands, right? I think we are in good hands. Now, really unbelievable, because just like the fractal of 2017, more important what will happen after this crash. Soon moon, right? We retested this level, guys, right? It came down like that. Look at that. Look at this chart. I'm just I can't, guys. I'm dumbfounded. I'm like, I can't even fathom it, right? People predicted it because people are following the 2017 fractal for XRP. After the retest is done, we have a V-shaped recovery, come back down slightly, and then blast through the roof like that, right? If we follow it, we should see $30, perhaps $33 by January. Oh my lord. Could that be the case? I don't know, right? I don't know, because we're in very volatile times right now. XRP from Income Sharks, super trend held support. This is the ultimate retail coin, which is why I focus on it to gauge what retail is doing. People FOMO buy it like crazy and panic sell it like crazy, right? Again, the bottom could be in, folks, right? And this is why you do not want to chase price. Let it come to you, but sometimes it won't come to you, right? Imagine if you were waiting down here, guys, right, for it to come back down so you buy, and look what happened. It just kept going higher and higher and higher, and the time people bought right here, it dumped, right? It just dumped. Now people wouldn't buy here because they think it's going lower, but what if we reverse up, right? Reverse up. At least it held this important indicator, it seems as. Okay, so it seems like we're back because there has been a lot of money coming into this asset, right? A lot of money, as we can see by the volume, though there has been a lot of money flowing out too, right? We need more buyers stepping in than sellers, right, for the price to pump. So hopefully Ripple does the trick and activate the buy bots again. Now, this needed to happen, guys. Today needed to happen, right? We were warning of this day. Look at the past video. Look at these my recent videos. Now, from Mr. Zoom, today was the largest liquidation event in the history of crypto. $1.5 billion liquidated. What? So supposedly, ChatGPT says largest liquidation prior was August at $1 billion. What? Now, this is diabolical, guys. And August was a Black Swan event. Wait a minute. Today wasn't even a Black Swan event, and it just happened, right? Though there was a narrative attached to XRP. Interesting. Was that the trigger? At least we front ran this crash, guys, right? We knew it. I had a strange feeling. I literally charted this out yesterday, guys, right? We're going to come down to this level, come back up, and then I don't know what happens after, right? Maybe come down, but I hope this is the bottom and we fly. I think there's a possibility of that, right? Because now if we reverse up, people will be like, oh, it's gonna come back down, but hopefully people they leave people behind. So basically, look at that. Today was the largest day, guys. Wow. Crazy, right? That's a rinse of longs. It needed to happen, guys. Right? It definitely needed to happen for us to propel higher, because you know that these market makers, these whales, don't want retail to make free and easy money, right? So what they do is thus really just flushing out the longs and shorts, right? And look at this, 24 hours, guys, longs. Wow, it's a sad day, right? It's a happy but sad day. It's a paradox. It always is, guys, right? It's a happy day for those people who waited and bought the dip, but it's a sad day because I feel compassion for these people who lost money. And guess what? The whales, the insiders didn't lose any money. Why? Because they were already in the know. They got out before this crash happened and they bought back in. The people who lost this much money in the billions of dollars is retail. So I'm sorry, you probably there's probably one person watching this video that lost a bunch of money today, right? But this is why the riddlers have stated, hold on for dear life. Don't do anything stupid, because if you have one mistake, it's over for you. Okay, and you cannot beat the house. It's a fantastic generational opportunity, guys. Do not mess this up, please. I'm begging you. Right, my heart goes out. Look how much money was lost today, and this whales didn't lose any money. This is all retail, or majority of it. And in 60 seconds, that much money was lost. $813 million in 60. I mean, not seconds, but in 60 minutes, in an hour, right? Earlier today. But we warned that a flash crash would happen, right? We warned of this moment. Did I not? It needed to happen, guys. I feel like crying because that's so much money, and I know somebody who's watching this video just lost so much money right now. I know, right? But don't do anything stupid. I don't know what else to say. Just don't do anything dumb. This is why you just hold on for dear life, as the riddlers have warned. This is not financial advice, but it needed to happen because every dip is an opportunity for the next leg higher, right? The leverage got flushed out, folks. People got sacrificed today. Think about that. It was a sacrificial leverage ritual, guys. I can't believe it, but we were warning of this moment, right? What's crazy is the beginning of like each month, there's a pattern that repeats, and they flush people out, right? Look at this, and then they pump it every time, right? This is ridiculous. Look at this, right? Crazy. This dump is necessary so that the rotation of Bitcoin into altcoins can take place. After that, your bags will pump at a level last seen 4 or 5 years ago, in my opinion. Patience. Right, so let's talk about the other charts, not just XRP. Altcoins. It's holding these indicators, guys, right? So it went to the super trend, which is supposedly, I guess, an important indicator. And when it does this, guys, and it holds it as support, that's what comes up next, probably, right? This is for Ethereum and altcoins. This is the others charts. It held the super trend as well, right? Very beautiful signs, but I'm sorry if you lost money. Don't do anything stupid. The riddlers warned. That's it, right? We're holding above key support, but that was previous resistance, now turned into support, right? Look at this 2 wicks on the weekly, which is magnificent. Right? It's a sad but beautiful day. Wow. We need to hold the Bitcoin dominance needs to hold this level as resistance and come back down, guys, right? For alt season to keep on going, and I think it will. Okay, guys, that's all for today. I feel compassion. I feel compassionate for people who, I don't know, guys. This is why people shouldn't do anything dumb. That $1 billion, is just ridiculous, right? In the end, we're in a bull run. I recommend, but this isn't financial advice, just play smart, guys. Just play smart and we'll make it out alive with riches. Why? Because this is a generational opportunity that will never be seen ever again, probably in the next hundreds of years from now. I hope you're safe. I hope you bought the dip, possibly. I don't know, but I hope you make it out alive, and I do too. Now, financial advice, let us pray that good times are on the horizon, and I do believe so myself. Let us go to new all-time highs. Let's go, Red Alerts. What is that? So face me says, see ya.